I think my passion for construction came early. Like, I used to play a lot of Lego as a kid, and I realised I liked construction. I wasn't sure if it's actually what I wanted to do.
I'm studying Architecture and Construction Management. I think it was probably in year 11 and 12. I had a really large passion for VisCom. I was tossing up between industrial design, interior design or architecture. I kind of felt that architecture incorporated all three. I went with it and I haven't regretted it since.
Ultimately, if you become a construction manager, you oversee construction projects and you manage all the different aspects of them. This course gives me that opportunity with the skills that we're learning. So when I finish, I'll be able to work on large projects from start to finish and see the whole project take place and sort of get that sense of achievement as well at the end of the day. It's easy to travel in, there's always parking available. It's just a really nice vibe in Geelong, I guess.
Also, the campus is just beautiful. It's right on the waterfront, and for an architectural student, that inspiration is just perfect. We have access to large studio spaces where we can work with other students, and it's just great for inspiration.
And we've got workshops and we have laser printing, we've got an architecture studio, an open access studio.
The open access studio is this big space. You can walk around and see all of these other amazing works that students have done.
Deakin offers site visits. The construction students, they organise them for us, and they've been fantastic opportunities.
Walking through them, you learn so much more because you can visually see it. It's there. It's real. It's not just on a screen, which is really good for understanding what goes on.
Being able to go out on site for me is always just so inspiring. Sometimes you get bogged down in the minutiae of it all and in the books and with all the assignments, and going out on site just reminds me of what I'm working towards. We're creating the world for tomorrow.
The benefits of studying a combined degree in architecture and construction management, I find when I'm doing architecture subjects, my construction side knows that there's standards involved that I have to obey. Construction is one of the leading industries in our country. So architecture and construction management both can have such a huge impact.
You're building buildings that people are going to live in, people are going to work in, building hospitals where lives are going to be saved, whatever, you know. You can look back and say, oh, I managed this project, I worked on that, and it's there forever. So, you know, it just feels like a very fulfilling sort of career, and I'm excited for it, I'm looking forward to it. So I'm keen for the future, yeah.